Now you can see the difference between the new one, and that's going to be the old one, and that's going to be. Hi everyone, my name is Steph, and today we're going to look at this brand here, beamtech. This is those LED bulb fanless, so you don't have any fan inside, it's only radiator. We can look at the box. It's regular box. Inside here they tell you which one I buy. Mine is going to be a 9007 for my 2005 Dodge Ram. Here they show you some future. Let's look inside. Don't worry, the link is going to be down there. Let's open the box. What do we have inside? We have the user manual. Here in the back they tell you the warranty. Inside they tell you step by step how to install. Here they tell you to don't forget to remind how to install it. Here they tell you again some specification. They give you that sticker 1 inch by 1 inch separate in half. This guy here, this is going to stick both sides. And the light, those LED light, you can see no fan. This is radiator, and that's the one we're going to install on the Ram. Let me show you something. You can see you have two LED, so you have your high beam and low beam, one on top and the other one is going to be for the low beam. The length of the cable, it's 12 inch long. The luminous flux, it's 8000. The temperature color, it's 6500K or white. The lifetime of hours, it's 30,000 hours. And the operation temperature, it's going to be -40 to 80 Celsius. Okay, here the tool we need for the Dodge Ram headlight. A Phillips screwdriver Phillips, the size 1/4, and that's going to be 10 inch long. For the rust, really important, and 1/4 ratchet with a 10 mil at the end. Okay, here we have those two. That's going to be the 10 mil with a 1/4 inch size. Here we have the Phillips. We need to unscrew, and you have another one just here. Go all the way to the end, to all the way almost here. So if you have the chance, spray a little bit of for the rust here, and here too for this on the side. That's my Ram here. What I did exactly, I already changed the light bulb here for the LED. When you put the light inside, don't forget to, the way they say to install the LED, we need to go like straight up. So it goes supposed to be like that. Don't worry, when you install the light here, you can turn it the way you need it, so to put straight. And after that, just put it back, and that's it. Now we're going to see the difference. Okay, so I'm going to give you a tip. If you don't want to scratch your bumper here, use tape 3M for the body. When it's time to paint the car, use this. The owner before already sketched the truck before me, so if you just want to be sure, use 3M tape and put it here, and that's going to be perfect. Okay, I'm going to give you another tip. That's the second free tip. Use anti-seize on your screw. So like that, you just put a little bit, put it inside, and when it's time to take it out again, it's going to be easier. It's not going to be seized. Now you can see the difference between the new one, and that's going to be the old one, and that's going to be the new one, the LED. You can see it's more brighter. Let's change the other one. Okay, let me show you how bright it is on the 205 Dodge Ram. I love it, trust me. I hope you like this video about those fanless LED light. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want, you can always leave a comment down there. And see you in the next one.